Enabling two-factor authentication on NetSuite adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your NetSuite account. Begin by logging into your NetSuite account using your username and password. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to enable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access the security settings. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security tab of the Features settings, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Check the box to enable this feature and then save your changes. Step 4. Set up your authentication method. After enabling the feature, you will need to choose your preferred method of authentication. This can typically be done through an authentication app such as Google Authenticator or via SMS. Follow the prompts to link your chosen method. Step 5. Test the two-factor authentication. Log out of your NetSuite account and attempt to log back in. You should be prompted to enter a verification code from your authentication method. Enter the code to ensure that two-factor authentication is working correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your NetSuite account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.